Morning, day 3. How we doing, River?
He gets perplexed when the camera's in front of his face.
Oh, bless you, my child. Oh, I love you so much, son.
Let's not make this complicated. I know you. Last night I had the strangest dream that you knew me too. Oh, you need to wake up. Can't have you disappear. Just like my parents' house, I've become a visitor. In the night you say that you go underwater. You take me, no, you drown with your lover. You told me that I wasn't available. I guess I was capable. I want to do better this time.
How we doing this morning, baby?
Rowing is hard.
You're getting so much better.
I'm getting a little bit better, but it's also easier without a headwind. But left forward, right back is a very hard command to understand.
Just try pivoting the boat with the oars in opposition, just like you would. Nope.
That's kind of what I wanted.
Oh, okay. I thought you were trying to
Face in
pivot.
towards this boat. This rock is very cool.
Just hanging out, looking at this rock while River sleeps. It's a pretty cool undercut.
Trying to get close, but not too close. I like be scared. I will get us into any actual danger.
You're pointing at the danger so that you can pull away.
Yeah, but then, you know, it's just like running a drive. It took me a long time to remember which pedal was stop and go, and then which one was left blinker, right blinker.
I had the same
You
problem.
probably did.
I'm such a bad driver.
I bet you knew how to
All
drive
right,
it.
left back, right forward. Let's fix that angle.
Left.
Left back, right forward. Same fair angle. Oh, there you go. Everything is back fair in rafting. Now we're pointed at the danger so you can pull away. In that right, buddy. In that right. You want to share some highs and lows for today?
Yeah, the basic needs are important. So a high would be that I did get a morning poop in, even though it wasn't ideal. I got it in. A low, we didn't speak about this. I think River's face got sunburnt yesterday. We felt so bad about it. So we put sunscreen on him for the first time and extra sun coverage right now while he sleeps. So that would definitely be a low. And I guess another low was that it was sticky last night, and I should have, even though this water is like super silty, I should have rinsed my legs and like just tried to get a little sweat off because I would have felt more comfortable while sleeping. A high is that we got on the river nice and early, so we got more bird time. We saw 2 osprey, and that we had more cool weather. It's just so nice to get on the river early. Cool weather, more birds, no wind, so it's easy to just get some like 3 miles in while you float and have breakfast or get personal needs taken care of. Mine.
What's your goal for today?
Oh, you know, I also have to comment that yesterday's goal was successful. Look at River right now. He's sleeping on the raft. No one's holding him.
I'm holding his little foot.
You're holding his foot. Wait, you have your hands free. And he even had some playtime on the raft yesterday like that. So I'd like to build on that. That's one goal. Another goal, you know, we did our side hike yesterday that was like kind of a mess. So if we do a side hike, I hope it's a cooler temp, or otherwise we just sit on the boat. And I want to get a little bit better understanding of how to row. I'm having fun learning.
You're doing so good. So proud of you.
As long as you don't say, left back, right forward, left back, right forward. I'm like, oh my God, what do you mean? As long as that doesn't happen, that's a good learning environment.
Okay. I'll work on my word choice.
Luckily, the danger is such that you just have to push off of it and we're fine, so that's okay. I had our first bump yesterday. You took care of it and took care of our son. Maybe that's a wash right?
Looks like it's a wash.
I'm going river right.
Okay.
All these clumps. How about you?
Let's see.
High level.
High is definitely how good River's doing. Like, he breastfed, got to sleep in your arms, and now he's still napping. So it's really the first like hands-free time you've had on the boat this long, this trip.
Yeah.
So it's just taking a while for him to adjust to not being held on the boat.
With the life jacket on.
Yeah. If the boat's tied up, we might have his life jacket off. While we change his diaper, and he does okay then. That's my high. I think my low was, even though we were in the tent for 12 hours last night, from 7 p.m. till about 7 a.m., tent feels a little small, and I didn't like get a full night's sleep, and I didn't have enough water in the tent. So, having kids or a kid is like, you just don't get to sleep a full night through. It just doesn't happen.
It's just kind of funny that you're saying that because you had 12 hours to sleep. Like, even if you were awake for 4 hours, you still got 8 hours to sleep.
Right, but this concept of like going to bed and having one continuous sleep cycle.
Oh no. Nobody expects that with a baby.
It's like, it's
and
gone.
if you do,
It's
you're
gone.
set up to be very disappointed.
Oh.
His tummy's so tiny. He's gonna eat.
Well, I feel like you're berating me for my low.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're right. I am. I'm not berating you, but I am.
It's
You're
okay.
low.
I love my son. I love waking up. That's still my low.
You just hold his hand.
I just held his hand last night while you breastfed. Your job's so hard. So hard being the mom to an infant child. Goal for today. Well, yesterday I feel like I made our goal. We had no major like getting stuck on low water, kind of rocky riffles. I think today cool goal would be to maybe time for coffee number 2.
Ooh, yeah.
I think it'd be nicer to have a better campsite. We didn't have the best campsite last night. It's one. I think a campsite with potentially a side hike opportunity, or yeah, that would be better. So.
Try and get close to this one.
Yeah, let's do it. So that's my goal for today. And then hopefully, yeah, you can get more or time while it's, we're having this really cool morning with the cloud cover. I think there's a storm coming in, so that's probably what's going on. It's really comfortable temperatures right now. So the other thing is you can kind of see this like fast water on the outside bend of the river. So yeah, keeping the boat on this current. Oh yeah, buddy. Yeah. Let me get your little. Let me hold your little hand. Yeah. Oh, you're waking up. Oh. 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 Is it time to eat? Should we have some food? Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. What are you doing? That's not a good ferry angle. Point at the danger and pull away. Point the boat at the danger and pull away. You need to do a left back, right forward. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, yeah, yeah. Left forward, right back. Left forward, right back. Just go left forward since you lost that oar. Left forward. Push forward with the left oar. Good job. Yep, you're pointing at the danger. Actively point at the danger. Left forward, right back. Left forward, right back.
Why can't I just get out of here?
Because you need to point at the danger, which is the rock, and you got to pull away from it.
I'm out of the danger.
Fairy angles, baby. Fairy angles.
No, it's when my baby cries, I get so stressed. It's both.
I had them the whole time.
I
We were
know,
doing
I
so
know.
good. What aren't we, baby? Aren't we, buddy? Waking up from a little nap? Just sucking on a pacifier? Gotta have ice in your veins, baby. Gotta be calm.
That's gonna take some time.
Just like River is. We weren't afraid. Okay, big rapid. Your first rapid of the trip.
I'm going far left.
Yeah. See that strainer? Go to the left of it. So you got a good ferry angle, or a good tracking angle. There you go. Good job. So now you can set your tracking angle, yep. Good job.